Okay, so we're going to make mega slime, aren't we? Wow! Okay, so there's one bottle of clear slime glue. Pour all of it into the tray, into the bowl. Keep mixing it. Okay, then just add a little bit more water in. Keep mixing it. I think it is more water. Go on then, keep mixing. So now you can put googly eyes.
Mum would have put some glitter in.
Right, so you've got purple, blue, gold, you've got sparkly gold, you've got another blue, you've got diamonds, you've got white, and you've got stars. So do you want to put all of it in? Okay. Now here's the spoon, and go and mix everything together. Right, so now put the slime activator in. Keep mixing it. Right, keep mixing and I'll put more slime activator in. Keep mixing. Now this is where it becomes slime, so keep mixing, you have to keep mixing. Look at the mega slime that you've just made. Oh, so much slime. Yeah, use your fingers to take it off. You have to keep massaging it so it becomes slime. You have to keep rolling it. So it's going to be, yeah, see? The more you roll it, the more it becomes slime. Can you see it's becoming slime now? What are you doing? Are you rolling it? Are you massaging it?
Yeah.
Well done.
I'm making it.
You're making slime. What colours do you have in there?
Glitters.
You have glitters, well done.
All glitters.
All the glitters.
Gold. Free gold.
Wow. You got bouncy slime.
Bye once again, we had more fun. You see you next time.